we're making something that I make in my kitchen all the time, but I haven't made with you before. It is a Mexican favorite, and it is cerdo con verdolagas en salsa verde, or pork and greens in salsa verde. I have 2 pounds of pork butt. First, I'm gonna add water into my pot. I'm just gonna add my pork pieces in here. 3 garlic cloves that I already peeled. 2 bay leaves. 15 black peppercorns. 2 teaspoons of salt. Half of an onion. This is gonna come to a rolling boil. While that happens, I'm gonna prepare my greens. If you can find purslane, you can use Swiss chard or other sturdy greens. And then I'm gonna thinly slice the rest of the onion that I have here. Once it comes to a boil, you can remove the foam from the top. Add the lid, reduce the heat, and let this cook for an hour or an hour and a half until the meat is super tender and you can shred it. Things are just as I left them, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna reserve a couple of cups of this meat broth. I'm gonna place my cooked meat right in here. I'm gonna start heating my beans. I have refried pinto beans that I'm gonna eat with my cerdo con verdolagas. I'm gonna heat my pan over medium-high heat. Add oil. Okay, I'm adding my onion. Soften the onion. And I'm gonna start shredding the meat. That's all the shredded meat. Add my Swiss chard. Let that soften. Now I'm gonna add salsa verde. I'm gonna use la costeña salsa verde. This one has tangy tomatillos, jalapeños, and smoky chile de árbol. I'm gonna add some of that broth from where my meat cooked. I'm adding my meat that I shredded. Mix this up. Now I have to heat my tortillas. This. Beans. Queso fresco on the beans. Tortillas are ready. Look at this plate. A little cilantro. And this is it. Some beans with the greens and the pork. I don't know what to say other than this is why I do what I do, because it's so good. And I want to share it with you. You have to make it at home too.